Get ready for a revolution in smart home technology. Amazon has just unveiled its newest Echo devices, and they're taking AI-powered assistance to the next level. The future of ambient AI is here, and it's about to change the way we interact with our homes and devices. Amazon's latest Echo devices are designed specifically for Alexa Plus, their advanced AI assistant. With these new releases, Amazon is pushing the boundaries of what smart home devices can do, offering a more personalized and proactive experience. But here's where it gets controversial. Some might argue that this level of integration and personalization raises privacy concerns. What do you think? Is the convenience worth the potential trade-offs? Let's dive into the details and explore these cutting-edge devices. Amazon has launched 4 new Echo devices, each packed with innovative features and powered by custom-designed silicon chips. These devices are not just smart speakers, they're the gateway to a more connected and intuitive home experience. The Echo Dot Max is a first-of-its-kind device, offering nearly 3 times the bass of its predecessor with a room-filling sound that adapts to your space. It's engineered with a sophisticated 2-way speaker system and a custom-designed silicon chip, AZ3, which enhances conversation detection and filters background noise. This device is a game-changer for music lovers and those seeking a more immersive audio experience. For those seeking an even more powerful audio experience, the Echo Studio is 40% smaller than the original, but packs a punch with its deep, immersive bass and full-range drivers. It supports spatial audio and Dolby Atmos, creating a true surround sound experience. With its modern spherical design and premium materials, the Echo Studio is an elegant addition to any room. But the Echo devices don't stop at audio excellence. The Echo Show 8 and Echo Show 11 are smart displays that take visual experiences to the next level. With their modern design and high-density, high-definition displays, these devices offer exceptional picture quality and ambient visuals that adapt to your environment. The 13-megapixel camera allows Alexa to recognize and greet you, showing you the information you need. From managing your calendar to viewing Ring video summaries, these smart displays are a central hub for your home. And this is the part most people miss. The Echo devices are not just about entertainment and convenience. They're about building a smarter, more efficient home. With built-in smart home hubs supporting Zigbee, Matter, and Thread, these devices can control thousands of compatible smart home gadgets. From managing your calendar to organizing your to-do lists, Alexa Plus is your personal assistant, making your life easier and more organized. Amazon has also partnered with companies like Aura, Withings, and Wise to integrate health and wellness features. With Aura, Alexa can provide personalized suggestions for workouts and sleep, helping you achieve your health goals. These partnerships showcase Amazon's commitment to expanding the capabilities of its Echo devices and providing a more holistic home experience. The new Echo devices are available for pre-order, and U.S. customers will get early access to Alexa Plus with the purchase of any new Echo. These devices are a significant step forward in smart home technology, offering a more intuitive and personalized experience. But what do you think? Are you excited about the potential of these devices? Or do you have concerns about privacy and data security? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below.